And today's theme, we're going to be making a bird feeder. So what we're going to need is a milk bottle. Make sure it's clean first. Give it a little wash with some water. You can use any size bottle. You're going to need some scissors. So be careful when you're using your scissors. You might need an adult to help you. I'm going to use some felt tips. All different colours, whatever you've got. And some bird seeds as well. Any bird seeds that you might have. The last thing you're going to need is some string or wire. Okay, so we're ready to start. We're going to start with our bottle and we're going to cut out both sides. I've done one side, I'm just going to cut the other. Okay, now we're going to use our pens to draw a window. You might want to draw some birds, anything you want to colour in your bottle. You can draw as many things as you like. Draw some grass on the bottom. Then we're going to get our bird food. And next we're going to use our string. Tie it through the handle. Then you can tie it to wherever you want, your tree. Make sure you send me some pictures and thank you for watching. Bye bye.